Hello, Darin Martineau here, small business coach. Now, this is my third review snippet of the Coach Builder by Donald Miller, and I just absolutely love this book. In this particular video, I'm going to focus on step 6. In the other videos, we kind of went through the steps, but now we're going to focus on establishing realistic goals and how to accomplish those goals. Now, uh, whether you're building a small business or a coaching business, this is going to apply. Without goals, you're on the road to nowhere. Now, as a coach, you already know that. So, what you want to do is you want to have goals and you want to write them down. Okay, you want them to be SMART, which is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time uh, sensitive. Now, we're going to do a lot of different videos on goals. In this particular, in the book, he breaks down goals into 3 critical areas, which is revenue, qualified leads, and products sold. Okay, again, revenue, qualified leads, and products sold. So we're going to start with the first one, revenue. Uh, you'll be much more motivated to grow your business if it pays well. Plus, you'll have the ability to do it, right? How much money do you want to make as a small business or a business coach? Do you want to make 85,000? Do you want to make 125,000? Do you want to make 250,000? Do you want to make 250,000 a month? What are your goals? The best way to establish your revenue goal is to ask yourself how much money you need to live on, and how much money you'd like to invest, and how much money you'd like to use for philanthropy, etc. How much money you need to run your business, etc. So once you break down your revenue goals into those categories of lifestyle, your investments, and your generosity, like your philanthropy, then you'll be getting more specific on your goals. Next is the qualified leads. What's a qualified lead? Let's talk about what the difference of unqualified lead is, right? In order to reach your revenue goals, you're going to need to hit the goals of the qualified leads. You're going to need to have the goal of the qualified leads. Without leads, uh, you have nobody to convert into paying clients and no way to build revenue. So what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to have a product letter and a marketing letter, and we're going to make another video about that. But you need to capture your qualified leads, and that's with Aweber. I recommend Aweber or your autoresponder, but I'm going to put that in a link. So if you don't have that, go and get that right now, because you have to build a customer base. Without those qualified leads, there's no way to get sales, because there's always about at least 7 touch points, meaning they don't always buy from you right away. Sometimes they do, hopefully they do, but a lot of times we want to nurture them with and we don't won't just we don't want to we want to provide value. We don't want to just always be selling. I mean, we're always selling, we're always closing the sell, but we're doing that by showing how much value you can provide, right? So if you introduce your service to 216 qualified leads within a calendar year or 18th month, for instance, you'll find that 21.6 of those will become paying clients. And so what that shows is average conversion rates, right? For this reason, you'll want to establish a goal of collecting a set number of new qualified leads each month. To reach your goal of 20 paying clients, you'll need to 18 qualified leads per month. If you want 30 paying clients, you will need 25 new leads each month. Attracting this many leads may not sound too difficult, but it will definitely require a focused effort. So the next step is the product sold. Of course, your revenue and salary will only grow if you're able to sell products. Once you establish a way or several different ways and systems in place of acquiring leads, such as your Aweber, you will want to convert those leads. Now, that's why you have to have converting email copy and sales pages, squeeze pages, and ad copy in your marketing materials. The best way to do that is to identify the problems your clients are struggling with. The best thing to do, that's why a lot of these marketers, they go on, I'll tell you one of the best advice from millionaires. Go on to Amazon, look at the reviews, and look at how the people are talking, the struggling customers. Once you understand that, like let's say you're I don't know, hairstylist, or you're whatever, If you're a small business, right? Say you're a restaurant, or like me, you have a magic shop. You need to find out the language of what these people like in the magic world. What do these people need? What do they need to get started as a magician? That's in one of my businesses. But once you figure that out, and you can know how to talk to them, and don't try to do this yourself. Get an expert. I mean, you can go on to Fiverr, guys. You can go on to Fiverr, and you got to look at the reviews there. But you can get someone who's an expert with ad copy. You don't have to spend like, $100,000 and stuff. A lot of people do spend thousands of dollars. You can go on to Fiverr right now, and you can get ad copy written. You can get a lot of stuff for your business right on Fiverr. We're going to make other videos on that. But what the product sold is, you want to set a revenue goal. That's a great start, but you aren't likely to hit that goal unless you know how you're going to hit that goal. Exactly how. You have to have a plan. We're going to talk about business plans. That's what this does, okay? So that's why your lead and revenue goals should be broken down into per piece of marketing collateral and per product. Essentially, you want to establish a goal for every item on your client ladder. Your goal list may look like, uh, website visits, your one-liner exposure, your business card, your elevator pitch. It goes through all these different things from your lead generators, your sales email capture and process, and then you have your product sold goals. So this is how you grow your business. This is how you hit your goals, guys. This is serious. This guy shows you how to build multi-million-dollar business, then 18 months later into 8 figures. So get this book. I'm telling you, it's going to change the life of your business. It's going to change your life. Click on the link and get it now. Thank you, guys.